name is Melanie Hawkins. I am a skills instructor with the EMT course in American Ambulance, and I'm going to demonstrate how to set up and apply oxygen to a patient. So before your shift, you check out your unit and you want to make sure that your O2 tank, your D tank is what this is full and able to operate. So you want to take off this little seal and you want to take your oxygen key, kind of crack the nozzle, blow out any dust you have, and then take this as the regulator, and you see you have two spots. There's one on this side that has two holes, and then one on this side that has just a little screw point. And so you'll see on the regulator, you also have the two little prongs that line up with the holes, as well as the point that screws in. So you want to get that screwed in. Okay, and once that is finger tight, you don't need to crank it down too hard, because otherwise you won't be able to change it later because it'll be too hard. And you want to open it and then check your tank to make sure that it is at least above 1,000 or full, and then test on this point right here, make sure that it is flowing. Okay, and now your D tank is ready to go. So once you have your oxygen tank set up and you are ensured that it is working correctly and at the right level of pressure, then you have a patient. And you want to take your oxygen over to your patient, and depending on their level of distress, you want to select what delivery method you're going to have. So for mild distress, you want to use a nasal cannula. You can plug in your oxygen tank and turn your gauge to 6 liters per minute or less, depending on what the requirement is. And you want to take the prongs, put them against the nose, put the straps around the ears, and then snug the fastener up close to their face. If your patient deteriorates and needs a higher level of oxygen, then you're going to go ahead and switch to a non-rebreather mask. So then you will take off the nasal cannula, and then switch over to the non-rebreather mask. And for a non-rebreather mask, it requires 10 to 15 liters per minute. So you want to connect it, hold the little flap down here, fill up the bladder, make sure that it's perfusing, and you're going to put this over their face. Okay, make it secure with the little nose straps, and then connect or make it snug with the elastic straps. In the event your patient deteriorates even further and needs assisted ventilations, then we can go ahead and start with the bag valve mask. Go ahead and take this out. Open it up. Remove the bag valve mask or BVM. Open it. Unstrap the tubing. And take out the actual mask. That connects to the BVM right here. Take the tubing, connect it to your oxygen tank. Now we'll fill up the bladder here. And then you are ready to ventilate your patient.